That's it for this module on risk management. Let's talk about some key takeaways. The goal is to be the casino and not the gambler. We want to profit consistently so that we are profitable over time, not just from one day to the next. We know that it takes money to make money in the market, and the amount of money you deposit into your account depends on your trading strategy or what software you are going to use to trade. So that's going to depend on each person. You should definitely demo trade with whatever strategy you are going to use, and you should start with the same account balance that you're going to use when you go live. You will lose a trade here and there and possibly have losing streaks, but don't get discouraged. However, we learned that it is harder to get back to your original account size the higher percentage of your account you lose. That is why we focus so heavily on avoiding losses and minimizing them the best that we can. I'm sure by now you have drilled into your head that you should trade with 2.5% risk or less so that you can survive any losing streaks you have. By risking a smaller percentage per trade, you are able to trade for the long run and with the right strategy be very profitable. Basically, less is more in the long run. Of course, it will always be up to you what percent of your account you want to risk per trade, and it may depend on your trading system and how often it takes to trade. If you're only taking 2 trades a month, but they're extremely accurate trades, maybe you will risk more than the 2.5% a trade. Basically, the more trades you take, the less risk you want per trade. A scalper isn't going to risk 50% of his or her account on one trade. A scalper may only risk 0.2% of his or her account per trade. As you demo trade with different strategies, you'll get a feel for how much you should risk per trade in order to make profits in the long term.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.